Fashion Shillong Society hapo ka Jingilam jong iba Aldous Maulong IAS kumu Sherman kalong kawai ni kiseng Tremon Sobha ban kintiu ya kasam ka talent jong ki khon samla kintai bat chenrang jong ka Jylla wat la ka ban ya lengba ya ki babon ki jing bat ki ding pengkyang nakadaw jong ka ni ka klam Henry kum ka seng ka batrang man se ya kasam bat ki talent jong ki khon samla chenrang bat kintai jong ka Jylla kam shamla randin Wat hapding jong ka ni ka klam COVID khat kendai but wat lada hapding jong ka jing perking ya ki kendon ban yakun ya ka ni ka klam Henry kayai pasyang be ban wat ya ki lat ki lenti ban penlong be ya ki miss Shillong lengba ka online but ya ki wat ki bakhat do ha ki rensan pai baru ka FSS Jingiaid Lynti menta la lai phu kendai Snem ban sei perthei ya ki sap bat ki talent jong ki khon samla kintei bat chinrang ki balakeu ru shadu ki rensan ki ba ha ka ni ka than chati lammingi kari India kum ka miss but Mr Northeast but kum jo ru shaki miss but Mr India Haus Snem araja arhuai what happening ka klam ka FSS kala penya chakmat ya ka miss Shillong lengba ka online but ha ka bakhadu ha ka rensan da ka babut perking pat ya ki kendon jong ka ni ka klam ha ka ni ka jing penlong ya ka ni ka jing yakop ki Thei Bhabriew kila don saupungut ki balon ban shim benta lengba ka online but na kitei legit shua shipaungut ban yakun online ban yorung shaka final hadin ka jing bishar bnia legit pa satang sangut ban yakun ye ka final harinsan ya ka ni ka final lapan long Hasin Anthony School Auditorium Shillong hakalai poetry kunai wing araja arway na kine ki bajob kilong laingut but kini kilong kinong job miss Shillong araja arway kilong I son fanry fela lengkhoi Ibawan baar ilong I tirhina das bat balai I Ameda Giovanna Kindia nakaliang jong Mawphor YouTube ule yo ban ye kren markmat bat kini baro laingut kinong job bat kani kalong kajing ye kren bat ki
Bishibone Miss Long first runner up and second runner up jong Miss Long 2021 ni yang survive pi second ka jing kelo jong ni tak jamit Bagi I to play people blackboard and you don't know cut me. Thank you so much, Pastor for being with us here this evening. And first question is, please introduce yourself. So, Baban, you told your Jepang Jong Pi Kindia, Pangintip.
Mga thanks Fandi Falaling Kois. The winner Jong Miss Shillong 2021. The menta currently nganong sudah graduate ya ka BTech in Electronics and Communication. The menta nganong le masters, the nganong le shop coaching nang ta ka gate entrance exam. The ya kani banga sedang nang kani ka nuksan, ya kani ka pageant beauty pageant nang sedang chanai po nang net puli. The nang tu nga sedang one ni Shillong, the nga sedang compete ya Miss Shillong. The kata ka di ka story jong akom dum sedang.
Hello, I am Trina Das. I am the first runners-up of Miss Shillong 2021. I am currently pursuing my biotechnology honours from St. Edmund's College. I have been born and bred in this place itself, and the reason why I am here today is because I've been inspired by many people, but my biggest inspiration has been Sushmita Sen. And it's not just because of her hard work, but it's also because of her determination, which makes me strongly believe in my dreams, because dreams can be powerful and I'm dreaming with my eyes wide open.
Kupreshi Boni Boro, Ngakrateng Amira Giovanna Kindia, and presently I'm taking up my BCom in St. Edmund's College, where I'm trying to build an accounting career for myself. So in the future, this accounting course which is called ACCA. So it's a competitive exam, and currently I'm prepare for this exam. And talking about beauty pageants, I've participated in Miss Cherry Blossom 2018 and 2021 as well, and I've won the title Miss Cherry Blossom 2021.
Thank you. I'm Pai Miss Shillong 2021. Nadomano pila stang piong bandung sekanika nungsan paniko.
Nga sedang na 2019 na Chennai ka don ko beauty pageant ka called Phoenix Fashion Icon sedang siya na kato kani ka ba ngalet hang to kam ngayo inspirational di hi bang ko ban better myself am ban pinbha ban tibet yel di ting ong nang let stage what can go wrong am ti kata ken ka ba kadungadan jumut bangan let bangan kiu kini pageant ki yarap shisha ka yanga bangan kiu shikmat bangan ya shikmat ka improve hai ka communication skills and QA do Ti kata.
Haba phi rung chakani ka transan jong ka jingia ko nakliang ka yung ka sem jong phi ki ai man siam ne mi
Ningkong kam ye thura inu ong chu try hi dal dia hakmat ti ki ibang a job ki inga le bha ti ki war kha ki am sim lo na ya.
haba phi yak simanda hakani ka Miss Shillong 2021 hakanu ka banta ko phi so don confident ko phin rai ka title
Ka pangalit compete Miss Shillong ka wei ngal shudap de jingkman mangala yo top 5 ru pangalit itu ru ngusudan ka jingkman ba okay I'm here. Keman palad bang kendua bar kha Bhabriew and ngayo ke experience ru ka ba best ha te na katuhi kaliang Shillong ba pangalit itu ka jingmut jing tu kha jong long ba take this experience am ban fin bet yel dia ngam kam mut ra ban compete ru kata ta ban don shab ngan hab job ring Shillong ba shim bet da kamen sim jingkman ban lech khmat ban lech compete kata ka de ka pa mut ma
kamut ba phi tang ba bayo simanda
tang ma chimenta kum shong be a better version of yourself kum ta
the Miss Second Fasan when are you start to enter into this line?
My first
platform?
beauty pageant was in 2019, and I participated in Miss Meghalaya, and I was in the top 10. So that was my first pageant from where I actually started getting confidence and thought that this is a place where I should be once.
Question. So dulu papa ngarangret here, I was very into modeling and beauty pageants, and having a very supportive family and a good height. My family was always encouraging me to take up beauty pageants and fashion show events and modeling. Overall.
Haba phi rung haka Miss Shillong 2021 kumno phi kando experience phi bat ki nongyalam ni ki dokhat jongka fashion Shillong
Fashion society. So I realized the fashion society ki dedicate ha when promote iki young girls when they give them a platform but can express themselves, and like the way they carried out the entire fashion show, the entire Miss Shillong, it was really well done. Like each and every level keep it bha, and it chose very deserved ki contestant but deserve haban Porsche top 5.
What is your experience with the fashion Shillong society?
If there's a word that I can use to describe my experience, it has been amazing. This is not just an organization, it has become more than a family. Even today, like when I meet my co-contestants and Sir Aldous and everybody else, it feels like I have known them from ages, and it actually helps me to gives me a confidence and helps me to see myself in a better place someday.
Miss Shillong
the experience ka experience jonga but ka ba let Miss Shillong ka di ka ba bas ha ba ngayo kendo bar kum boong tuhi na ba amidang ni poi kendo bar khoi ki ko contestant jingi ki ni ai sim lang wei nya yarab lang nimdan ra menu ro balong very balong pentani fi ben tan spo bar khoi ki long very encouraging even sir everyone who do ba organize ka Miss Shillong bar khoi ki am sim la jingi ban le bha ban ka bet ye
cái thong jong phi ni pat chikman haka ni ki jo ka
Kad Bhabriew kalat Lynti tinga kloy ban ya chikman katai ka thong ka mentang kam pak khat than ran dei Kad Bhabriew kalat done any competition anything I'm ready ban participate ban
What
le
about
ba
you? What is your aim in life?
Firstly, after winning this pageant, then I'll love to participate in many pageants and rather win it. And also I have to make sure that while doing this simultaneously, I have to balance my academics as well as my studies and my career.
I have to say, Mansa, all the opportunities Bhabriew been done, beauty pageants, fashion show events, I'm gonna go for it.
Cái message trong phi ki paras samla kan thei
ka message jonga ki samla kan thei dei ka Bhabriew kanu kalat Lynti ban lejbet ban shimbet kata ka kabu ka ba fiyo dan bet ka mensiam bachelor mjudeira ban randian mjudeira ban tiang kata di message ki samla kan thei
What about you? What is your message to the young
Okay.
women?
My message to the young aspiring models is that if they can believe in themselves, they can believe in their dreams, then this is a platform where they belong. And to take up all the opportunities in life, and always remember that dreams can only be true if you can dream with your eyes wide open, and you are not the person who you want to be, but who you actually are.
So my message to all the youngsters out there is that if you have an aim in life, you can absolutely achieve it if you have the right motivation, the right drive, and the right determination. And go for it, because it all starts in the mind. Thank you.
Kita nanti jengtung ban si mentah ke san. Indai tang ha ke Jylla North East indai wat national level.
Dan kejing temu benda Miss India, Miss Northeast gitu.
Do you have any aim to participate in other
Surely. See, it has been a dream to participate in Miss Shillong itself. So now I want to participate in a lot many pageants like Miss Northeast, Miss India. So if I get the opportunity, I'm going to take it.
I feel we all have the capability to reach as high as Miss Universe, so why not?
Exactly.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much.
much.
Ba kami founder chairman but belong to hadu mentala like like Snem yang ke fashion Shillong society. Ke jing syam jong pi ha ko penyai ya ke FSS but kamtam ha penyai ki show la like like Snem.
Boleh syubun Mbak Maya ti ngia sedang berkiperlok live kondai Snem insya ngia kenduk ber ngi ong ba kibun gi kena jungi senang kentai badan dur bendar badan renyang renyot ki badan kamany ke personality ti belingim sedang gini ki lensan banyak tunjuk jing nak kai mano ba la tam hak title Miss Shillong mi sedang hu sejak kandai sepak propulai hai tu por gile hi komi baret hi bor baret tingin pui berkat bakan he luat ni hai tu por mi sedang ka budget jungi kadong lai hajar tengka bak dikerit stage bak ai prize money kat san spa si hajar but san spa ketika prize money timanta hakini ki kendak senam lala tu because of covid ngim la yo ban resan negla poi ki por ba ki senam ngi ai silak nyupsan pasan pawajar ti bak subtitles ru ti kini ki kena ki yo ban simenta sagoi perkan sam kam halor kata di Miss Northeast ti bak kidan ba le Miss India ru ti kidan ki blalek full time modeling ru ne kawai ke ba yarap yaki kalong ba ndala groom ki untuk shibnai tam ban eye training ki kena ki bela rain tam ru ki slur but kinda late ban wat kam ban face kini ki interview board ke ki pai biang sedien ki om bagadi ka tu ka san Miss Shillong baka eye fan society ka ba pen slur ngi kum no ban yat kum no ban kren kum no ban riam kum no ban le makeup ti kum ta but overall nga try ngi la pen mi bon ma ki sap namar hapeng ki bangi khot ki fly items ngi dan sekini ki nong rai nong shot nata ki balik makeup ki bade kari ka stage ki balik ka lights ka sound ki tu baro kadai ka ka balang pen jana syuk ki kam ki bakila te nga sutanat bahadu mentang ngi dan kan ka society ka ba ki member betray shit rem ha bat kata kadai ka Jingiaid Lynti jungi
Ni so tho ha ba sedang ki ong ba pi ke budget jong pi ke dai tang lai hajar tengka ni kadang ya ki por ki tang la ban pen he ya ke price money but it we jing siwi ki be simentaro kumno ki yo ka support na kaliang ka sarkar halor ke
ka sarkar ka irap ba ki irap very regularly ki dan suki sponsor ki well wishers ki ba kuat ban kerja ni ki tur ki ai jing irap teng ki ada pisar teng ki ada ki prizes dan ki ada ki jan teng ka way ka round baro ki ki gaun sponsor with Thei Bhabriew dan ada company ti hakata ka rukom mereka Jingiaid bagi perolok bagi company bagi government kalau absolutely amazing kabyang ha
Nolak ke beauty pageant ni ba ki wek activity so ki penlong na ke ki ba kam kongsan ba ki pula penlong ba ki like
hadin beauty pageant ki pelong kini ki rock show ki musical concerts ni pelong ki dong ki title kani ka winter queen ka beach queen ki titles kita taruh te nang tu ngiju ai ru jingrap sikit charity mana bangi kamyo ya ka naki show ngiyo ka jingmi te nang tangi penmi ke magazine ru bakatan ka tattoo kata kalau ambil lah South edition but ke calendar ru ka third edition ka balai mantau senam Ningkong ipin ika fusion, tribal fusion, kaba ar ketika darah, or kabalai ketika jengker sya, kaba pilu pila, yo kopi, ngata ki buon kila etip hi, nama ki publicity ngelai ai.
Banta mapila syong thai dili nang kam. Ke activities ki baki nang temu len nang kwa ban pendek. Kini Snem ban sawan.
Ning syang ki kwa ba kini ki job kini ki brand ambassador. Nam ta kadun ga cause subu nam ta ki badup lain ta ki orphans nam ta ki punswet te nam ta ngala kami opor kwa ban lum ki perlok ngila stang hi again nama ka covid ngi me yo punya keduk kakak ta bangin persang barkan salong kam te bangin sedang kini ki social work banyarap iki bakam syam stam syam lanat social work tiba kini ki miss ki bajop kin long ki brand ambassador kin kren on behalf ikin ka cause kini ka movement
Piong mentan brand ambassador lajudan nak ini ki bejam ki belong brand ambassador ki
lajudan haki kinjat Snem dan ki badan ki long nam ta ka election commission ki degi bukit tin cm nam ta tu bat ki biru ki causes ki bang amla kan mau shoot tombalong Oman kapor mag banlong brand ambassador don't come lot of hard work pihak bantri sitom pihak ban buat kindet che ki light game light don exam dah hab ande sejangai tan na yeng ru ka syam sitom tan makin pelat te kom ta kan tama menta tingin nya le atau kom bakan kamlong mo well organized kan bakal akan nyopor
Resibon ba ya ke jing kolektor
tapi ba maya
ke jing don jong phi ka man sem ko ban ka sha ni ki samla jong ki thei bet salang ki kiu shkwan
Resibon